God bless America. Thank our vets, past, present, and current. Thank you for your service so that we could do things like this, have a little bit
All
of
right,
fun.
we're in the ballroom, and we got Will Turner looking over Joe's beautiful 19, let me get this right, 1985 El Camino. Really custom job here. I think it's got the 502 cubic inch engine with the IROC SS and the side exhaust. And it's a special car. Look at it. I think I videotaped this at the Cleveland Autorama, so if you want to go check out that Cleveland Piston Power Show, you can go check out that. But we'll show you it one more time. Beautiful interior. Just a cool looking car. And then over here, we got Todd's display, Todd Hot Rod Signs. So if you're looking for a sign for your car or anything graphic with your car, he does a fabulous job. So you can check his work out. And if you need to get a hold of him, here's his business card. A little shout out to him. All right, there's his email. All right. So there you go. That's from the ballroom at the Northern Ohio Chevelle Show. See ya. All right, I had to jump on the golf cart with Sue and Joanne and Miriam, Sue's daughter. Unfortunately, with the DJ playing music in the background, I have to re-narrate this, and because otherwise YouTube will cut it out because of copyright laws. But basically, we're taking a tour of the Showfield. Oh man, so many beautiful Chevelles at the show this year. And the girls are selling uh, the 50/50 tickets, and they're doing a great job of yelling out, hey, 50/50 tickets for sale. And I wish you could hear them. They were doing such a good job. But we're just rolling down the 68, 69 row. And now we're going to head over to some more 69 Chevelles and 70 Chevelles. So and we're going to pass by that and on to the 72. But there's Joanne sitting next to me. And I was remarking on how we could be videotaping the very next winner of the 50/50. And then Miriam started talking about, hey, wouldn't it be cool, Mom, if I jumped off the golf cart and then ran a little bit while you were driving and then jumped back on? Well, Mama kind of nixed that idea pretty quick. I was kind of laughing about it. It's kind of funny. But they were having a good time selling 50/50 tickets. And I really appreciated them rolling around. There's Todd, our photographer's car. And you can't win the booty unless you buy some tickets, is what she kept saying. But yeah, we let Todd sneak his Camaro on there. And then I was remarking about how there's all our vendors. We had transmission vendor there, and we had lots of parts from our own members selling parts, and it was awesome. That El Camino had so many sparkles in it. What a paint job that had. And then we're rolling around this really cool 1970 Malibu, and I'm going to get off and talk about that in a second, but there's some more 70 Chevelles. Tickets, tickets, tickets. Very cool. There's Jim Fairchild's station wagon Chevelle. There's Fred Gillis walking around. So it was nice seeing all the people walk around the car show. It was a beautiful day. Oh my God, the weather is so spectacular. It wasn't. There were clouds in the sky, but man, it was low humidity and perfect temperatures. And there's a half-built car, 72 Chevelle. Come out of Michigan there, my buddy. Yeah, I was talking about how I should have brought the frame to the Chevelle show this year. And maybe it'll still be a frame next year if Paul never gets around to painting this car. Hint, hint, Paul. But there's President Joe. I said, say hello, and of course he came right over. And he says, you got to come over and see this beautiful 1970 Chevelle. It was made in 1969, 4-speed convertible. He bought it from the Chevy dealership in Grafton, which is right down the street. So I jumped off the cart, and it was Roger Atkinson, and he's a neighbor of mine. He lives right down the street, and he drives by all the time, and he sees me working on Chevelles, but I told him to stop by. But very, very cool. Had the round gauges. I love convertibles. You don't usually see those.